Hey y'all, it's Keith Trades with the MPLLC team. Today we're going to view the May 29th, the callouts, and the long trade that we took off the open. That hit very nicely for a $27 move on NQ and 34% on the options. Right, coming into the session, what was my plan? Right, as you can see, called out here 6:16 a.m. Right, it was a very bearish day, but I said we either find buying when we fill lower to the 1 hour or a small reversal where price into the 4 hour fair value got bearish. Right off the open, I was looking at that fill to the 18,790 into the 15-minute fair value gap. Once we filled, I said, let's see how we act here. We either break down or price higher to the 4 hour fair value gap. Let's come on the charts and let's see what I saw coming into the day. Right, coming into today on the 1 hour time frame, right, my short target was this area of interest here. Right, I either wanted to see us sell off and fill the 4 hour or fill it off the open. We ended up filling it right off the open. Right, my second point of interest on the higher time frame was the 4 hour fair value gap. Right, coming into the session, it was unfilled. Wick to wick here. Right, on the 15-minute, that's 790. 790 lied here. This was my play point to see if we respect, we run lower. If not, we just place through. All right, let's go on to the 1 minute. Let's find our patterns. Let's find our areas of execution. Right, 1 minute chart here. Right, coming into session, we have that accumulation here. Right, the downside manipulation to sweep the low. As we know in the higher time frames, we already took out a lot of liquidity. Market structure shift here and shift here. Right, I like this buying right through. We don't really see a lot of selling pressure. We haven't really cracked a swing low on the smaller time frame to pull lower. Right, knowing that, I'm looking at what? 18,835 to fill this 4 hour imbalance. Right, when did I know when I can get the longs in? Let's go to the 5 minute chart now. Here we go here. Here's your 5 minute fair value gap. Right, premature in my opinion to long it because the fact that we're still in a bearish model and we still respecting here. But once we see buyer step in multiple times and then we break and form a bullish 1 minute fair value gap, here's where I'm comfortable taking the longs. Right, we never hit my entry, but why did I get in long? For the fact that we had SMT at the lows. What does SMT mean? Right, NQ made a higher high off the open. If we go to ES on the 1 minute, ES ended up making a lower low off the open. Right, here's the market open. We went lower. On NQ, we went higher. That's what I'm looking at. Because we have the SMT, I was confident to say we want more price here. And I knew that this would be a breakaway gap that will never get filled. I got my longs at the 808, right, out the candle closure. And we shot straight up to price target in 57 seconds, right? Took the futures longs, QQQ calls, and a very nice trade for May 29th's long recap. Right, let's scroll down. No other trades to be taken, very choppy action. We capitalized quick, and we called it all out in the Discord, the Money Printers LLC Discord. That will be launching in July. So stay tuned for more videos. Thank you guys for watching.